Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw some yummy fast food, french fries, a burger, and a drinks cup. And guess what? We'll make them super cute with fun faces. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin. Let's start with a packet of french fries. First, draw a rectangle with a slight curve at the top for the packet. Now, let's add the french fries. Draw some straight lines sticking out of the packet. To make it super cute, let's add 2 eyes and a smiling mouth to the packet. Draw 2 circles for eyes and a little smile just below. Look at that! It's so adorable! Now, let's draw a yummy burger. Start by drawing the top bun, which looks like a big curved shape. Then, draw the other layers, lettuce, cheese, and the burger patty. Finally, draw the bottom bun. Just like the fries, let's add 2 cute eyes and a happy mouth on the top bun. Our burger looks so friendly and delicious. Next up, let's draw the drinks cup. Start by drawing a tall cup shape, like a rectangle with a rounded bottom. Then, draw the cap on top. Now, let's add a straw sticking out from the top of the cup. And don't forget the cute face. Draw 2 eyes and a big smile on the cup body. How fun is that?
Yay!
Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop by tracing over all the lines with our black marker. This will make the outline bold and sharp. Whoa! Look at our fast food. It's all ready to enjoy, and it's super cute. Now it's time to add some color. We're going to use rainbow colors to make everything bright and fun. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Wow! Look at our colorful, cute fast food. You did such an amazing job. Don't forget to share your awesome drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.